What's up, everybody? So yesterday I hosted a Relational AI LinkedIn live session. We focused on tariffs, supply chains, and AI, but more specifically, we focused on one of my favorite topics, AI-enabled knowledge graphs. AI-enabled knowledge graphs are fascinating, obviously, but they can be abstract and difficult to understand, especially for folks that aren't engineers and deal with this stuff all the time. Very complex, but we're going to hopefully make it a bit more straightforward. Given the advantages they present to enterprises that are trying to adjust on the fly to expected and at times unexpected tariff changes to optimize supply chain management, their application today is more relevant and timely than ever. Hence the session. I facilitated it with Max De Marzi, a knowledge graph subject matter expert at RelationalAI. I really enjoy Max's presentations because he takes abstract and highly technical concepts and he explains them with more universal language, but also he integrates pop culture into his entertaining narrative, which I think is really cool because it makes it even more relatable, which is awesome. So yesterday's LinkedIn live session, it was exactly that. Max was on fire, lights out. The three questions Max answered that I found most interesting was one, how do knowledge graphs elevate the essence of your business logic from mountains of accidental complexity by effectively reducing your legacy code base by 95%? I'm going to pause there for dramatic effect. That's a gnarly statement. Definitely worth looking into. Number two, based on number one, how much faster, better can your supply chain simulations be run? Allow what if scenarios, simulations, etc., to anticipate what to do next in the event of, for example, more tariffs. And then number three, tell me more about graph neural networks and their role in shaping your knowledge graph in a way that automatically adjusts to the evolution of your data sets as new data comes in. I smile on that one because that one really got me, as you'll obviously see in the video. The 30-minute session is up on YouTube, and I encourage you to definitely check it out. The chapters with timestamps, I wasn't sure I was going to read this, but I'm going to do it real quick. Tariffs and supply chain impact, 2 minutes, 40 seconds, 6 minutes and change. The Yeti coolers use case, visualizing the supply chain, made it very real. He did that in about 2 minutes at the 6-minute mark. The same old data problem. More things change, more they stay the same. Silos and messy data, moving it around. You got to clean that up. Relational knowledge graphs and intelligent supply chains. We hammered that for about 8 minutes. Predictive versus prescriptive analytics, that can be a little bit, nuanced, so we dug into that. Talking to your graph via natural language queries, that's fascinating. Literally non-technical folks can now have democratized access to this horsepower and interact with it, again, without being an engineer necessarily or requiring that type of skill set involved, which is pretty cool. And last but sure not least, the Q&A, which is when I got into the shape of the graph and its benefits and all good things. So anyway, I hope you check it out. It's awesome. Have a great day.